Today in math class, we introduced the students, or actually reintroduced the students to multiplying with decimals, multiplication with decimals. So what we're doing here, we're actually pretending that the decimal doesn't exist for right now. So it's really just multiplying the numbers by each other first, and then we'll get to adding on that decimal at the end. Alright, so what we have here is we have 47 hundredths times 9. We're going to skip the decimal right now, pretending like it's not even there. So it's going to be 47 times 9 first. I'm going to do the area box method first. So I'm going to put 40 plus 7 here, and I'm going to put 9 off to the side. Alright, I know 4 times 9, that's going to give me 36. Since there's a 0 here, I'm going to add on a 0, so 360. 9 times 7 gives me 63. That's it, so we're going to come off to the side. 360 plus 63. That's what we're writing off to the side. That gives us 3, 2, carry 1, and 4. So our answer is 423. Now we're going to come back up to this decimal here. Now if you look, there are 2 spaces behind our decimal. 2 places. So there's also going to be 2 places in our answer. So we're going to come over and we're going to put our decimal right here. So there's 2 places behind our decimal there. The rule that I had them write down was that the number of decimal places in our factor, if we look at it right now, there's 2 decimal places in our factors. Later on there will be decimals on both sides, but right now it's just 1. There's 2 decimal places in our factor, so therefore there's going to be 2 decimal places in our answer. So the number of decimal places in our factor will tell us how many decimal places will be in our product, which is our answer. Alright, let's come down here. This time we have 4/10 times 16. We're going to go ahead and set this up the regular way here. So 16 times 4. Once again, just using our properties here, so I can switch this around. Getting rid of that decimal, so 16 times 4. 4 times 6 gives you 24. Alright, then you carry your 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 gives us 6. Now that we have our answer, if we come over here, there's only 1 place behind our decimal. So in our answer, there's only going to be 1 place. Alright, let's try one more. Alright, this time let's do 74 times, let's do 63. And, oops, sorry. There you go, 74 times 63, and let's put a decimal here. Alright, so this is 74 times 63 hundredths. So once again, we're going to pretend like that decimal is not there. And I'm going to do the box method one more time here. Alright, so we're going to do 70 plus 4. We're going to do 60 plus 3. Alright, 6 times 7 gives us 42. Plus 2 zeros, 4,200. We come over to our next quadrant. 6 times 4 is 24, plus a 0, 240. Going to our third quadrant here. 3 times 7 gives us 21, plus a 0, 210. And then last place we have 4 times 3, which is 12. Alright, off to the side we have 4,200. We have 240, we have 210, and we have 12 that we're adding all together. So that gives us 2. We have 4 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives us 6. And bring down that 4. Alright, now we're going back since we have this answer. In our factor, we have 2 places behind our decimal. So therefore, we're going to have 2 places behind our decimal here. So we should have 46 and 62,000 hundredths. Sorry, 46 and 6200s. All right. We're going to be working on this for the next 2 days. So tonight is a remembering. So it actually won't cover this on there. But starting tomorrow, their homework will have problems just like this.